Welcome to a world where luxury is not just seen, it is felt. A royal residence designed for those who don't follow trends, they define them. As the golden sun slowly fades into evening, this ultra-luxury white mansion reveals its true character. Pure marble walls, grand classical columns, and warm interior lights glowing softly through tall glass windows. In front, a calm infinity pool mirrors the elegance of the mansion, with blue underwater lights creating a peaceful, premium atmosphere. This is not just a house. This is a statement of power, balance, and timeless design. Front elevation focus. The symmetrical royal façade blends European elegance with Asian royalty. Cream stone surfaces, turquoise accent trims, blue-gray metalwork, and tan structural details. Perfectly balanced, nothing extra, nothing missing. Every line reflects precision, every detail reflects wealth with taste. Step inside, and the space opens like a palace. A seamless connection between the living area, dining space, kitchen, lounge, and bedroom creates a home that feels open, royal, and alive. Glossy white marble floors reflect soft chandelier light, while arched windows frame breathtaking city and hill views. Luxury artwork, candles, and indoor plants add warmth to this refined masterpiece. This mansion isn't built for everyone. It's built for those who understand that true luxury whispers. It never shouts. If this home inspired you, subscribe for more ultra-luxury architecture journeys, because this is where dream homes become reality.